Okay, everyone. I'm just gonna go do some driving skills. Okay, Freddy.
Remember, Freddy, be careful.
Yes, please be careful. That's right. You do not want to cause a crash. Don't worry, guys. I'll be careful. Here we go. Here we go. It's a beautiful evening. It's a beautiful evening. Freddy? Yes, Bonnie? Something is going wrong with the car. What? Oh man, you're right, Bonnie. I'm out of control. Help! No! Ow! That hurts! Oh my goodness! Freddy! Freddy, are you okay? I think so, Bonnie. I kinda got hurt. Guys, can you help me? Sure thing, Freddy.
Oh my goodness!
Huh? What's going on?
Shiver me my timbers!
What a mess! That's a huge car crash.
This appears that Freddy have crashed in. Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness. This crash looks really bad.
That doesn't look good.
Guys, get over here. Get over here now. What is it? Oh my gosh. Freddy, are you alright? Yep. Spring Bonnie, can you help me?
I'm coming, Freddy. Everybody, come help him.
Okay. Guys, Freddy needs help.
Radio, Toy Freddy. Whoa! That's a huge car crash. Toy Chica, Mangle, BB. Please come here. What is it? Oh my! That is a terrible accident. Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness, Freddy. Are you okay?
Yep. guys, take Freddy to the works. BB, you'll take him to the works so he can be repaired. Okay. Ugh. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. Don't worry, Freddy. The works will soon get you fixed. Yep. So, guys, we hope that Freddy's alright.
Yeah, me too.
Same here. Me too.
Same here.
So do I. Yep, indeed.
Yep. We hope so. Is Freddy gonna be alright?
I think so. So anyways, guys, we'll see you soon. And we hope Freddy's gonna be alright.